Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial by Get Where It's At. This multiple choice board serves as a go-to option for quick choices. It can be used with speech buttons or AAC, or if you don't have time to pre-program it, you can just grab it and give the students the physical options, pictures. It can be a gaze board. If you do not have a gaze board, you just stand behind it, or you can see through the sides. The letters are large. Each letter is the size of a standard sheet of paper. If you would like it smaller, you simply print them 2 or 4 to a page for a smaller multiple choice board. The multiple choice board is simple but effective, and here we are reducing 3 answer choices to 2. These videos show folding the board from 4 to 3 options. If you have any questions at all and need to reach me, please contact me at getwhereitsat@gmail.com. Happy teaching!